Hello, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we'll be installing this new shift knob that I just received. I bought it off Amazon. The link to that will be in the description box. Here's how it looks. It's an S Sport shifter. Got the blue stitching, carbon fiber in the middle. Overall, this seems pretty durable. Leather's good. Overall, not bad. Got little grooves on there too for your fingers to put in place. The only thing that I don't like about this is the blue stitching. Some of you might enjoy that. That's a nice feature to the shift knob. It's just that my car has nothing blue related. So what I am going to be doing is using the Sharpie. I know, tacky, right? But I'm going to be using this Sharpie, and I'll just be basically coloring in the blue stitching, so it just kind of blends in with the rest of the shift knob. So far, this is how it looks like. I got one side done, still got to do the other side. But I like this look much better than I like this side. Alright y'all, just got done coloring in the stitches for the shift knob. Here's the complete look of it. You can still see some kind of blue tint towards the stitching, but how it looks darkened and kind of blends in more, I enjoy that much more. Here I already got the shift knob removed. It's an easy removal. Basically, it shift knobs just like that, and you just turn left until it's undone, and then you just pull it right off. Installation, same thing in reversal. Just slide it back down, turn to your right, and it should start getting tighter and snug. Make sure you don't over torque it so you don't strip any threads on your shift knob or your shifter. And here it is. This is how the new shift knob looks on this. Just another quick tip for you guys. If you guys are planning to do what I did to your stitching, make sure you guys are using a brand new or like new Sharpie with a fine point on it still that has plenty of ink left in it. So that way when you go and apply it to the stitching, it basically just saturates it and the ink gets transferred onto the stitching. Makes your job a whole lot easier. And that concludes it for today's video. I know it was a short one. It was just a little quick explanation of what I did and a new little addition I added to the vehicle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See ya.